Hello everyone. Today we are going to start this direct and indirect speech. Actually, we are continuing this chapter. Already I have made one video on this chapter. That was the easy trick of direct and indirect speech. Now you have to study whatever it is given in your book only, okay? Direct and indirect speech. Just as I have already told in the previous video, her friend said to her, this comma and inverted comma, the sentence before this comma and inverted comma is reporting verb, and the sentence inside this inverted comma is reported speech. We can go to picnic today. It's written here. Now, when you will convert this sentence into indirect speech, how you will convert? Just as ki reporting verb never changes, you have to write just as it is written here. Her friend, I have told you that said to will change into told. अगर यहाँ सिर्फ said होता तो it will not change. Her friend told her, comma inverted comma remove करके we have to use that. I have already told in the previous video this. Now, when your sentence has, when reported speech sentence is, now you have to see what is the subject here. Subject is we. When we start a sentence, we have to, the first position that a word is written is your subject. That means reported speech का जो subject है वो है we. We is first person. I have already told you in the previous video this. We will change according to the subject of reporting verb. Mind it. First person always changes according to the subject of reporting verb. That means we. It's already plural, right? So, her friend. It may also be plural. We don't know how many friends are there. So, they. We have to use they. Can will change into the past formation could, and rest of it, today will change into the that day. They could go to picnic today. That means now it's not today, so that day, will use that day. Okay. Direct or indirect speech or narration. In direct speech, a sentence can be divided into two parts. This already I have told you, but still you have to read this chapter properly so that you can understand it clearly. The first being the reporting verb, which tells who tells to whom, and second being the reported speech, that is the statement made, just as the sentence is given here. Sally said to Surabhi, comma inverted comma, it's 8 o'clock now, comma, inverted comma, closed. The sentence written here before inverted comma is reporting verb, and the sentence written inside this inverted comma is reported speech. How you will change this direct speech into indirect speech? Some normal sentences transformations are there, just as the first one, comma and inverted comma in the direct speech are removed and replaced by the conjunction that. The word says to or said to are changed to tells or told. This I have already told you, and this also I have told you. First and second rule already I have told you in the previous video. First person words of the direct speech are changed according to the subject of reporting verb. This also I have told you right now also and the previous video also. He said to her, just as the sentence is written here, he said to her, I am your well-wisher. Now said to will change into told. He told her. Now comma, inverted comma should be removed by conjunction that. That I is the first person. I is first person and first person will always be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. He is the subject, so I will transform into he. Now your tense will also get changed. Tense, am. Am is the helping verb of present continuous tense. So all the present formations will transform into its own past formation. That means अगर present indefinite होगा तो it will be transformed into past indefinite. Present continuous will change into past continuous. Present perfect will change into past perfect. And present perfect continuous will change into past perfect continuous. And some rules are different for past portions. We'll talk about that later on. Her well-wisher. This will be your sentence. He told her that he was her well-wisher. Clear, everyone? Now next thing. Here in your book it's already given how you will change. Present simple will change to past simple. All these rules are given for changing the tense. Some past portions, past indefinite tense will change into past perfect tense, past continuous tense. It's already written. There should be no confusion about this. You can learn it properly so that you will be able to understand. Now second person of the direct speech can change according to the object of the reporting verb. Second person होगा अगर तो वो object के according change होगा. He said to him, you are my friend. Now said to की जगह पे told and comma inverted comma remove करके that. Okay. Now you is the second person. You will change according to the subject of reporting verb. That means him लिखा है. Him means some male character is there. Pronoun is used. This pronoun is used for the male character. So him को हम यहाँ him नहीं लिख सकते. Okay. We have to use this is the object portion. एंड जब हम इसको सब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन पे लेकर आएंगे बिकॉज यहाँ पर एक सब्जेक्ट है तो सब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन पर लेकर आएंगे तो इट विल ट्रांसफॉर्म इनटू ही का हिम होता है ऑब्जेक्ट पोजीशन पे. सो दिस इज ही. नाउ आर प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस का हेल्पिंग वर्ब है. देन यू नो दिस प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस विल चेंज इनटू पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. तो हमें यहाँ पर पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करना है. दैट मीन्स ही के साथ हम वर यूज नहीं कर सकते. वी विल यूज वॉज. हर फ्रेंड. क्लियर नाउ? थर्ड पर्सन ऑफ द डायरेक्ट स्पीच इज नॉट चेंज, आर नॉट चेंज, नेवर चेंज दिस थर्ड पर्सन. दैट मीन्स ही, शी, इट, दे. इन प्रीवियस वीडियो आई हैव ऑलरेडी टॉट यू दिस. द वर्ब ऑफ द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच suitably molded to suit the new subject. दैट मीन्स यहाँ का जो स्पीच का जो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का जो सब्जेक्ट होता है उसको प्रॉपर वे में, जैसे अगर गर्ल है तो गर्ल के अकॉर्डिंग रहेगा, अगर बॉय है तो बॉय के अकॉर्डिंग रहेगा, अगर प्लूरल है तो प्लूरल के अकॉर्डिंग रहेगा. दैट मीन्स यू विल हैव टू प्रॉपर पे अटेंशन अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. नेक्स्ट, some examples are also given for the future portions. He says to you, I am going home with you. Says to will change into tells. I have told you this. That I change होगा subject के according, he के according. तो I will change into he. Am going. Present continuous के formations जो हैं, I am going. This is the present continuous formation is going. He is going home with you. मतलब जो कंटिन्यूअस फॉर्मेशंस हैं यहाँ पर कुछ फ्यूचर्स को, जिसमें किसी में प्रेजेंट फ्यूचर पोर्शंस को शो कर रहे हैं. तो इसीलिए उनमें ज़्यादा कुछ चेंज नहीं किया जाता. Renu will say to Ronak, I have done your homework. Renu will tell Ronak that she has done her homework. Present perfect continuous perfect का sentence है. Note down all these in your copies also. This is also a table. How you will change today into that day, ago, before. You'll have to learn all these things. Okay. And rest of it will tell you in the next video. Thank you.